The tilt feature allows forward and rearward movement of the steering wheel. The telescoping feature allows you to move the wheel up and down. Locate the tilt telescoping lever. Fully push the lever down, push or pull the wheel to the desired height and angle. Then push the lever back into the lock position. The switches on the right-hand side of the horn pad control the cruise control features. The 579 may have cruise control switches located on the dashboard instead of the steering wheel. The instructions are still the same. Turn the cruise function on by using the on-off button. The cruise icon will appear in the instrument panel display. Accelerate the vehicle with the accelerator pedal to the desired cruise speed. Press the Set button to set the cruise speed. The cruise set speed will appear in the instrument panel display. To increase speed, press the plus button on the right steering wheel pod if available. To decrease speed, press the minus button. There are 3 ways to cancel the set speed in cruise control. Tap the brake pedal, tap the clutch pedal, or turn the cruise control system off with the on-off button on the steering wheel or the cancel button on the dash. Using the brake or clutch pedal to cancel set speed will allow you to use the resume feature. Pressing the resume button will resume the vehicle's speed previously set. The lever action turn signal high beam switch is located on the left side of the steering column. Each time a turn indicator is activated, the buzzer emits a short beep. Push the lever up to engage the right turn signal and down to engage the left turn signal. Release the signal stock. The turn signal will cancel when the turn is complete. This 579 comes with a Packard transmission as standard equipment. The lever on the right-hand side of the steering column will operate the transmission function, in addition to operating the engine brake. Transmission mode is selected by rotating the lever's outer knob to select drive, neutral, or reverse. The instrument cluster will display the corresponding mode. For Peterbilt vehicles with automated transmissions, manual mode is available. To activate, put the gear selector in the D, the drive mode, and then depress the MA button. The instrument cluster will display the corresponding selection. When in the manual mode, the transmission gear can be manually selected by pushing or pulling on the lever. Pushing the lever forward will downshift. Pulling the lever toward the driver will upshift the transmission. The transmission will override manual mode if RPMs exceed the acceptable level. Pushing and holding the lever forward will engage the low gear range. Low mode can be used to put the transmission into the lowest gear possible to minimize the use of brake pedal when driving on long range or when coming to a stop. The column-mounted lever also operates the engine brake. The lever has 1 off and 4 on positions. Moving the lever down will engage the engine brake. The 4th on position enables the engine brake max mode, which will deliver 100% of engine brake amount and in addition will engage the transmission low gear.